In this video, I will demonstrate how to create chamfers using chamfer entities and chamfer chains commands. The chamfer entities command can create 45 degrees chamfers, chamfers that you know the two distances, chamfers that you know a distance and an angle, and chamfers that you know its width. The chamfer chain command creates chamfers at the sharp corners along a selected chain. The chamfer mastercam file is open. Note that in the first example, each corner of the rectangle has a chamfer created with a different method. To open chamfer entities command from the wireframe tab, in the modify group, select chamfer entities. The first corner that we are going to chamfer is the upper left corner, and for that one we are going to create a 45 degrees chamfer. The method used will be one distance. The distance is already set up to 1/4 inch, and in the chamfer entities panels we also have the trim entities enabled. I am going to review the different methods of selection that I shown in the fillet video. For the first corner, I'm going to click outside the first line and hold the left mouse button down and drag it above the second line and then release. You can see the chamfer will be automatically created like that. In the second corner, we know two distances, so I'm going to enable two distances in the chamfer entities. And the first distance, I'm going to leave it to 1/4 inch. The second distance, I need to change it to 1/8 of an inch. Before I'm selecting the entities, I need to ensure that the line is unselected. I don't know why I have this line selected, so I am just going to unselect it first. And I'm going to start with the horizontal line that I know we are measuring from the corner the distance of 1/4 inch, and then the vertical line that we know the distance measured from the corner was 1/8 of an inch. Press and enter to finish the chamfer, and then for the lower right corner I'm going to use distance and angle. The distance is 3/8, 0.375, and the angle is set up to 30 degrees. Again, the line that needs to be selected is the vertical one because I have the distance measured from the corner along the vertical line, and then the horizontal line. Another enter to finish the command. The last corner, lower left corner, we know the width of the chamfer, so enable width in the chamfer entities, and I'm going to set the width to 1/2 inch, 0.5. Press and enter, and then again, maybe we can just select the preview, making sure that you got the correct preview, and just select the chamfer. OK to finish this command. To create chamfers at all corners of the rectangle, I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow and select chamfer chains. In the wireframe chaining, the chain button is enabled. All I have to do is to select one entity of the rectangle. You can see the whole rectangle was selected. OK to exit the wireframe chaining. And you can see that all the corners have a chamfer right now with the distance of 1/4 inch. Trim entities was enabled, so the lines are also trimmed. OK to exit the command. And this concludes the video on how to create chamfers using the chamfer entities and the chamfer chains command.